Ladies and gentlemen, we have quite a power-packed day today. So quickly moving on to our next session. The customer buying behavior has undergone a drastic shift post-COVID, so the way brands provide the buying experience should also change according to the customer needs. More virtual experiences, tech-driven innovations that enable customers to experience a product from the comfort and safety of their homes. It is no longer possible to just have offline as an option anymore, and hence, in our next session, we will discuss evolving CX into virtual first world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would really like that you all join me in welcoming our speaker for this session, Ms. Mamta Saxena, Managing Director, Marketing Studio Lead, ATCI Accenture Interactive, with a huge round of applause.
Thank you very much, Nipa. Good morning, everyone. I hope you and your family are healthy and safe. And it is really good to see that we are moving towards normalcy as many states have started relaxing lockdown guidelines. As Nipa introduced myself, I'm Managing Director at Accenture Interactive in Advanced Technology Center, India, and I lead Digital Marketing Studio. And I'm going to talk about evolving customer experience into virtual first world. So in today's world, we have technology at our fingertips, which can be used to create experiences that improves lives and make us take right decisions. Let's look at the video to understand why brands need to reinvent these experiences at every step.
We have big and beautiful technology at our fingertips. We can use it for good, for evil, or the trivial. But is it enough to make toasters that tweet? Washers that text? We're making it our mission to create experiences that improve lives, to make shopping for what's healthy as easy as a swipe, to add empathy to the immigration process, or finding the perfect look without the wardrobe changes. These we've made real, but we're passionate about doing more. Something bigger than a commercial or tweet, because brands are built on experiences. This is a challenge for us all to invent new ways to collaborate with our clients, our partners, and each other, to disrupt and change the way we experience everything, to harness the power of technology and humanity to create something daring, something disruptive, something big, and to make something meaningful for all of us.
So we clearly see that there's a challenge ahead all of us to invent new ways to collaborate and change the way we experience everything in the world today. We are living in different time today, I'm sure you all would agree to, which has forced us to reimagine the way we live, the way we work, shop, and socialize. There's a big shift in customer expectations, and brands need to recalibrate the way they do marketing to meet their customers in the virtual space. Well, these pictures, which you see on the screen, they speak for themselves. We have been experiencing every now and then. We are confined to our homes. There's hardly any social interaction. In fact, yesterday it was my sister's 50th birthday, and we had all planned to celebrate in a grand way, but we just landed up ordering food online. So dining out seems unreal now. Doctor consultations are happening online. I'm really missing over coffee, chit chat with colleagues, office parties, and social gathering, and I'm sure you all must be missing too. So there is hardly social interaction in physical world as most of the commerce has moved to digital platform, be it shopping for your clothes or for grocery or home or personal care items or accessories. In fact, my 7-year-old daughter, she has been attending online school and art classes. My gym has also moved virtual too. So this pandemic has fast forwarded shift to digital space. We have adapted to this shift, but I'm sure you all must be missing the human touch that exists in the physical world. Hence, it is very important for the brands to reinvent and customize their products and services offerings to fit perfectly in the virtual world. So brands today needs to meet customer expectations without being close to them. So difficult it is, isn't it? They have to find innovative ways to boost customer confidence, make the whole buying experience more rewarding, and simulate the in-person experience. Last month, I wanted to buy friendly headphones for my daughter, and she is extremely choosy. And I showed her a few online options, but she wanted to try it on herself and see how she looks before she actually buys it. So because of lockdown, I could not take her out, and anyway, the stores are closed. So as consumer, we all love the convenience of digital commerce, but when it comes to buying expensive products like jewelry or luxury cars, we will not shop online as we haven't experienced it in person, and the brands need to resolve the missing link of the human touch. So as per research done by Accenture, 42% of the customers would like to experience products before purchasing. And good news is that 64% of the leading brands have already started investing in immersive experiences. The, the stats on the next slide echo the same customer sentiments which we just talked about. So as per Accenture study, 52% of the customers would like to view the product from the comfort of home. And the immersive experience has become so meaningful to the customers that they want to associate it to the premium brand value. So nearly 50% of the customers, they are ready to pay extra uh, extra value for the product if they could customize or personalize it by using a immersive technology. So customers are also placing their trust in the brands who use immersive technology. So immersive technologies are no more a novelty. And if you may have noticed, few years ago, immersive technologies were being used by premium brands to enhance customer experience. But today it has become a powerful utility. So we have a generation of digital first audience today uh, who enjoy interacting with immersive experiences on social media platforms like smart filters, virtual try-ons for cosmetic brands. And these interactions are not new to them, but sorry, but they they have to become very, and they are actually become very sophisticated, but at the same time they have also become very affordable and accessible to the brands. So brands now are using immersive experiences to demonstrate their products features, their capabilities, and they are also using this to bridge the gap which is there between the digital and the physical world. So let's see some of the examples how brands are using these technologies. So they are creating brands are creating simulated physical environment using immersive technologies like virtual reality to create a very captivating and insightful experiences for customers so that they can connect to brands and browse through the products. So 47% of the customers, they feel connected to brand who provide simulated experience. So for example, it's becoming increasingly difficult to offer customers looking to buy a car a unique experience online. Here, the emotional appeal will always be missing. I am sure you all will agree to it. So Accenture has created a platform which solves this problem by creating stunning and accurate 360-degree product videos and virtual test drives. It allows you to visualize the product features by allowing you to configure as per your preferences just as easily and precisely you would do in store. Even you may have also seen that Emirates uses VR technology to offer 3D models of the cabin experience. Before the passenger take a flight, they can visualize how their journey is going to be. So brands are boosting purchase confidence in customers by letting them virtually try the product, help them understand how a product will look on them or in their surroundings. You're familiar with a lot of cosmetic brands which allow you to visualize how the lip color or the eyeliner will look on them. And then it removes any kind of confusion the end user may have in their mind. And that really helps them to improve, helps the marketers to improve the conversion. So I'm sure you all will agree that we have built or renovated our homes without fully visualizing it. And many of us have regretted later. I have done it twice, I have done that, and I regret it till today. So we have underestimated the power of visualization, but I'm glad that Accenture has partnered with one of its clients to create an app which uses the power of smartphone to make it easy to position products and simulate the home environment, even like let users visualize how bright and beautiful the surroundings can be if there is a roof window to allow in more daylight. Many of you would have Nike fans would have also seen feature on Nike app which allows user to measure their feet with their smartphone and make personalized size and style recommendations. Let's look at another example in the field of teaching and educating customers. This is most difficult to do, especially when customers are not in front of you. I'm sure all of us have experiencing this, but immersive experience let you address this problem by letting them to have an hands-on experience on the product rather than reading very cumbersome owner's manual. Accenture recently created a virtual reality training for a healthcare client. This virtual reality training teaches healthcare workers how to safely put on and put off the PPE kits. So let me give you a quick view of our solutions for reimagining retail experience in an intuitive and immersive way, which truly maximize value realization in the virtual first world.
In today's retail world, there are so many ways to interact with your brand that a single view of your customer is hard to come by. But that's all about to change with Total Vision for Retail. Let's see how it works with a customer, Bree. She's browsing through Instagram and she sees an ad from bag retailer Total. Intrigued, she taps to find out more. On Total's website, she can customize her perfect bag with a design that feels unique to her. She can even visualize how it looks on her kitchen table using augmented reality. The decision is made. She's got to have it. At checkout, she opts for in-store pickup. This purchase data feeds the Total Vision Customer Experience Engine. The Experience Engine's dashboards and analytics tools power seamless engagement with customers at every touchpoint. So, in-store sales assistants can better serve Bree by understanding her browsing and purchasing habits. Fully informed on her preferences, they can suggest other products and accessories she might like. And through augmented reality, Bree can even browse items not currently available in store. With her new bag, Bree shares a snap on social media. She's later offered a 10% off voucher to buy from Total again. Engagement data from Bree and other customers allows Total Vision to inform new product categories, marketing campaigns, and future communications, and build a single, unique view of each customer. Unite the moments. Own the shopping experience. With Total Vision, integrated retail technology.
So, what should brand do? With so much of disruption happening around us, brands have to respond with agility and reinvent themselves. They have to focus on experience-led solutions that are aligned with brand purpose and needs of the customer. They have to transform from the mindset of customer experience to business of experience. As you all may know, this business of experience has become CEO priority. Brands need to adapt, innovate, create products or virtual avatars which are centered around the people they are trying to target by uploading 3D models on their product pages, curating personalized makeup palettes, or hosting virtual fashion shows to bring people closer to products in the digital world. So it is very, very important for brands to also operate with insights. And for that, they need to become customer obsessed and reignite growth. They should use voice of customers' insights to tools and technologies like emotional AI to capture moment of truth. However, if brands want to build customers for life, they need to first create ecosystem of trust. And with this, I would like to thank ET for giving me the opportunity to share my point of view on this platform. And I would like to thank each one of you for taking out time for listening to me. Have a good day and thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Saxena, for stressing the importance of a virtual first world. It is absolutely imperative for brands to incorporate immersive technology to bridge the gap between the physical and the digital world, because that, at the end of the day, is the need of the hour. Ladies and gentlemen, our next panel discussion promises to be an interesting and advantageous conversation. Allow me a few minutes to meet our speakers backstage. We will be back shortly.